If you are not thinking about choosing a niche for your UI UX design services, probably you are going to have some problems getting good clients. In this video, you are going to find out which is the best niche to start your UI UX design career and how to choose it. When I started my career, I didn't think about choosing a niche or dive deep into something. I did everything for everyone, designing wedding websites and logos, digital agency websites, and social media apps. I was trying to be the best for everyone, which is good in the beginning because you will experiment different fields and you will know what you like, and then you can have a better understanding of different markets, and eventually you will choose your niche that you like the most. But when I decided to narrow down and specialize in one field, things have started to change in a better way. I was getting more work and better clients because the clients knew that you are the guy who can help them in that specific field, and they trust you that you will provide the best services for that specific project. So in the beginning it's good to start broad, but in the process you have to narrow down and specialize in one specific field. When it comes to the design services, there are plenty of that. You can provide UI and UX design, graphic design, print design, brand identity. And if you've already made a decision to go with UI and UX design, for example, that's awesome because you already took a step forward and you know what you want to deliver from all of these creative services. Now you have to figure out what type of digital products you like to design. It is mobile apps or websites. It is for iOS or Android. You have to figure that out, but maybe you can do both of them. You can do for web and for mobile as well, which is great for the clients because you can deliver the same quality throughout the platforms. In my case, I like designing mobile apps and I market myself as a mobile app designer. But if a client wants me to design their website or their web app too, there is a high probability that I can do that as well, because it's easier for the client to do that and to finalize the project successfully with one person. The other important factor is about your passions, because you have to enjoy working on a project and get excited to learn new things about the field and grow as a designer. I think you already know what are your interests and passions. Maybe you like cars like I do, or maybe you worked on a project that you enjoy so much, so you develop a passion for it, like I did with the fintech industry. Ask yourself what is the niche you like to work on, what you are the best at, and what excites you to learn more and grow your expertise. Also, make sure it's in demand and that type of clients can afford you. This is something very important from a business standpoint. For example, if you want to make $10,000 monthly and you are targeting beauty shops to design websites for them, there is a small probability that you can make that amount monthly because they don't have the budgets and they don't really rely on a website to get clients coming in. So your time is limited and there is a small probability you will achieve your goal from a business standpoint. You can make some research on Google to find out if there is a demand for the services you provide and if it's a growing niche. For example, the medical related niche has been grown in the last period. Specializing in a niche helps you market yourself better to your clients. You will be known as the expert in that field. But this is another topic for another video. But let me give you an example that will help you understand better the importance of specializing in a niche. Assume that you want to build a house and you are looking for a construction engineer to build the house of your dreams. You have two options: a construction engineer who builds everything for everyone, like pools, garages, commercial spaces, and someone who only builds modern houses like you want to build for yourself. Which one are you going to choose? I bet you are going to choose the one which only builds modern houses, because this construction engineer encountered more problems and have more expertise in building modern houses. So let me know in the comments section if this is the right answer. If you learned something from this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel to learn more about UI and UX design. Thanks a lot.